Hello, guys. I just wanted to show you because I had this kind of experience while I was doing intraday long back. So, like, no, we see, like the total buy quantity and total sell quantity in the bids and offers for any particular stock. If we plan our intraday based on that, so, and if we assume, like the strategy based on this total quantities, so I just wanted to highlight like we should not go only with that. Okay, I'll tell you why. Okay, so if you plan right, like whenever, say, suppose if you plan for HDFC as an intraday plan and you are waiting for the total buy quantity crossing the total sell quantity, right? So HFCL, HDFC. So, okay, so what you plan, like whenever it crosses, you get the alert and then you enter the trade, like whatever your strategy, like if you were using any other indicator, supply demand zones, like whatever, blah blah blah. But I'm focusing on these two. Okay, let me show you a screenshot I captured from this Google screenshot. So I have captured that in Excel and the same screenshot and like the same number I just taken here and showing the sum here as well. So if you see right, like for this 20 top bits and 20 top offers, the the total number what you see is like no close to 2.5 lakh and here it's offers 9.4 at lakh. So like if you just look at these two numbers, what it tells you like there are more sellers than the buyers. So in general, like if there are sellers uh, more compared to buyers, the stock price generally go down. So if like it's a vice versa, if buyers are more in quantity than the sellers, the stock price will go up. So that is a generic, like tendency. But like whatever we see this number, like are these genuine numbers, right? May be true, may not be true, right? That's why don't decide your trade just based on these two numbers. Okay, so I just calculated here like this number is total number, like not only the top 20, like we may have further like so many orders down here that we can't see now. Initially we used to see only 5, but now we can see 20. That's a good development for a traders, but even it has beyond 20 orders. It may go till up to lower circuit, and this till it will go up to upper circuit. So here, like only 7,300 and like 11K orders, like the quantities are there when we see the top 20. But the funda is right. The funda, why I'm telling don't just go with these two numbers because see, if, even a common man, like with like few lakhs of money, can change this number drastically with the leverage, right? So if you in a zero, if you put, like you just imagine this HDFC has a 10% lower circuit. So current market price is like 1,231. So just imagine based on that, like what is the 10% downside? Like it's a two one 123. So what would be the lower circuit? Just imagine like the lower circuit is around 1100. So with a few lakhs, you can place huge quantity at this price. You can place the order, right? Because this is a possible price to bid. Okay, this is a feasible price you can bid, but below that you cannot bid because it crosses the lower circuit. So that's why anybody can manipulate these numbers, okay? Because that we don't see in the front end, but anybody can play that. So that's why. So please don't just consider these two numbers for your trading strategy. You can have other good indicators or a pure supply demand, and then take a decision, but not only this total buy and sell quantity. Thank you.